In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage your truck profiles. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new truck, hover over Manage Data and click Create Truck. This will bring you to the Add Truck page. Starting from the top, enter the truck unit number. Then below, select the vehicle type. Next, enter the license plate information for the truck. So first, enter the plate of the vehicle, and then the state or province the license plate is issued in. Now, enter the full VIN number of this truck. And if the truck has a DOT number, it's recommended to be added if this truck will be used on an ACE manifest. If this truck will ever be hauling hazardous goods, ACE requires an insurance policy to be added to this truck. If you've added an insurance policy to your company profile already in BorderConnect, you can just click the drop-down menu here and select the insurance policy you'd like to assign to the truck. And for a quick tutorial on how to add insurance policies to your company profile on BorderConnect, click the top of the video now. To add additional information to your truck, click Show All Fields on the top right. Doing this will reveal fields such as a transponder number, which is required if the truck has a transponder and will be used on an AC manifest, adding an ACE or conveyance ID, which is optional if the truck has a specific ID number with the ACE data portal, or assigning a particular terminal for the truck. Additionally, if you'd like to set up notifications for this truck to know which ACE or ACI eManifests the truck is associated to, and you'd like to get updates for it, you can just enter an email address here and select the type of updates you'd like to receive. After you add and verify that the data for this truck is correct, go to the top and click Save, where you'll be brought to the Truck Details page where you can now see an overview of all the data entered for the truck. Once you're ready to create an ACE or ACI eManifest and you'd like to use this truck, just create, in this case, an AC manifest, and quick assign the truck in seconds by typing in the first few numbers of the truck unit number or the truck plate, and it'll pop up for you. Just click it to assign it to the manifest. It's that easy. Or create a brand new truck on the fly by clicking Add Truck below, and then just add the same information for the truck from the beginning of the tutorial, and just save it to add it to the manifest. In BorderConnect, you can also easily view and manage trucks entered into the system. To do this, hover over Manage Data and click Search Trucks. This will bring you to the truck search page, where you can view, search, edit, or even deactivate trucks if they're no longer part of your fleet. And if you use a third-party software or fleet management software, you can easily export your trucks to their software in a JSON or CSV format. Or do the opposite and import a list of trucks into BorderConnect using a JSON file. Just drag and drop the file and upload it directly into BorderConnect.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.